Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm introduce myself. My name is Nur Inaya. I'm from class Biology D. Okay, I want to reading the material is a genetic inheritance. Genetic inheritance is a basic principle of genetics and explain how characteristics are passed from one generation to the next. Genetic inheritance occurs due to genetic material in the form of DNA being passed from parents to their offspring. When organisms reproduce, all the information for growth, survival, and reproduction for the next generation is found in the DNA passed down from the parent generation. Much of our understanding of inheritance began with the work of a monk by the name of Gregor Mendel. His experiment and laws of inheritance provide the foundation for modern genetics. In sexual reproduction, the genetic material of two parents is combined and passed on to one individual. Although this offspring receive a combination of genetic material from two parents, certain genes from each parent will dominate the expression of different traits. Gregor Mendel was a monk and scientist, and he is commonly referred to as the father of modern genetics. He completed a series of experiments looking at the inheritance of a number of characteristics in epiplanes. Mendel published his work in 100, 165, 24 years before the word gen was ever asked, and the significance of his research was not appreciated until 119, 16 years after his death. Mendel is accredited as the first person to correctly understand the process of how characteristics are inherited by offspring from parents. Before Mendel, many other incorrect hypotheses attempted to explain how characteristics and traits were passed from generation to generation. The most commonly accepted theory was the blending theory, which proposed that the traits of parents were blended together and an intermediate trait was expressed in the offspring. Mendel's work on the common pea plant proved that was not the case. Okay, thank you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.